In this video, I'll show you how you can fix screen flickering problems in Google Chrome, especially while browsing or watching YouTube. If you find this helpful, feel free to subscribe and give the video a like. Screen flickering can be very annoying when you're just trying to use your browser, so here are a few simple fixes you can try. First, click on the three dots at the top right corner of Chrome and open the Settings menu. In the search bar, type Acceleration. Now find the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After doing that, relaunch Chrome. Next, go to the address bar and type Chrome://flags. Then use the search box to look for GPU or graphics. Change the graphics option from default to D3D9. Restart Chrome and check if the issue is fixed. If the problem is still there, go back to the same setting and try selecting D3D11 Warp instead. Restart Chrome again. Hopefully, one of these options will fix the flickering issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips.